Alright, what up, y'all? I'm back, man. Shoot. So, alright, check it out. I'm on my way to the motherfucking drugstore, right? I just get done talking with y'all, run up the steps. I'm like, dog, damn, it look like somebody was in my back seat. That motherfucking shadow. G, I almost jumped on my skin. Hey, alright, so check this out. I run up the steps. To fuck, I just went the brain fucking dead. I run up the steps to I run up the steps to go put some different clothes on because I couldn't go to the I wasn't gonna go to the store like that. You know, I feel like I got somewhat of an image to uphold. Nah, I'm capping. I got on some motherfucking sweatpants and some flip-flops. But I go upstairs to change. Okay, me and you just a second ago, I told you my old lady made tacos for dinner. Dog, when I tell you, oh shit, when I tell you that tacos smell like musty nuts when you, like, bro, I don't think, like, that smell not supposed to just linger around like that. We had tacos at like 5, dog. I walked in the house. I'm like, what the fuck is that? It smelled like a gym locker room or something. But I digress on that. I hate the smell of tacos, dog. I hate it. They taste good, delicious, but the smell of them, dog, that shit is putrid. But look, I'm on my way to Walmart, right? To grab this melatonin, and I gotta make sure, like I was touching on before in the earlier part of the video, that I was touching on that, man. You gotta keep your sleep schedule in check, dog. Like, I noticed just from like, since I work for myself, I don't really got no time to be, well, I need to put myself on a damn schedule. Like, I do work a job, but I don't really have no set time to be up. I don't have no set time to go to bed. So I be up bullshitting a lot. And I find myself getting depressed. Like, if I'm sleeping in till 11 and 12, I find myself getting depressed, and I just feel like I'm slipping into depression. I feel like I'm not being all that I can be. I feel like dog, it's motherfuckers out here that done gave their life for us, bro. It's motherfuckers out here that can't do shit with their life. It's motherfuckers out here in jail, stuck still, bro. I refuse to be one of them niggas that just waste their motherfucking life. Like, I will not be that nigga. Like, I gotta be rich. I gotta have all of the greatness and success. I gotta have all that stuff. So anytime that I'm doing something that's indicative of that or moving backwards, dog, it fucking throw off my whole vibe. Like, throw off the chakra, the everything. So that cannot happen. That will not happen. I can't continue. I won't let myself do that. So, I mean, it's the small shit. So it starts with your sleep schedule. So if I'm up before people get up, bro, by the time regular people that just want regular lives, by the time they wake up, I've already accomplished more in a day than they will all motherfucking day. And it's only 10 o'clock. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. I done already been to the gym. Nigga took a shower, made my bed, folded my clothes. Like, I could stop right there. And that's what most people don't even accomplish that all day. People wake up, roll out of bed. Then what? Wake up, roll out of bed, go to their job, come home, get back in bed. Bro, I didn't went to the gym. I didn't either meal prepped or done something along the lines of that, you know, before people wake up in the morning. Like, it's crazy. But, and it's a beautiful thing, but it's the little things like that. Like, bro, when they say the early bird gets the worm, I mean, it can't be any more true. I can't stress it to y'all that it's any more true. Like, dude, when I was in the streets, I used to wake up when I wanted to. Or, well, it's different between being in the streets and hustling. You don't have to be in the streets to hustle. The motherfucker that said that shit, that's somebody that wasn't getting no money. But if you want to really Like when I was hustling, I was up early. When I was in the streets, just catching cases and chasing bitches and shit like that. Yeah. Then I was waking up at noon, 3 o'clock. I was up all night chasing women, bro. Like, which is the dumbest thing which you do. You'll never lose a female chasing money. I want y'all to know that now. I learned that the hard way. I was chasing women. I was broke, and I was just really living life a day at a time, which is not smart, not something I would ever recommend to anybody. But yeah, those are some of the things I was doing, and that's why I feel like bro, it's some people that come from a lifestyle that they've never been on both sides. They never been in the streets, and they never been successful. They never been successful, and they've always been in the streets. Like, that's why I feel like that's why I feel impelled to tell y'all, or just how shit gotta be, and how to change, or give your mind a different shift, dog. Like, and I also feel like, because God blessed me with a gift of being able to express myself through words really well, so I can make it a little bit different for y'all. But yeah, so I'm going in to Walmart right now. I think they close. No, they close at 11. Thank you. So never mind. So I'm going into Walmart right now to get this melatonin. But anyway, guys, I'll be back. This is weird. People looking at me crazy holding this camera, which I know I need to get used to it. And it's crazy. But it is what it is. Fuck that, man. We out here. We thugging. They say you gotta stay uncomfortable to get to the next level. So it is what it is. People can look at me crazy all they want to. So we gotta figure out where the drugstore is. I did not lock my car. Now I don't want to regret that. But yeah. So I'm getting so what I was gonna say? What was it? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, staying uncomfortable, man. Like, dog, you ain't never like, okay, when I say uncomfortable, what do I mean? I mean, okay, when you working out, like, bro, you take your muscles to failure. The only way you're gonna see adaptation in your muscles, the only way you're gonna see your life change, is to make yourself uncomfortable. So when you getting the most pump, when you getting the most rip and reps out of a workout, or out of a rep, is you want to be as uncomfortable as possible. Not uncomfortable to the point to where it puts, you turn a ligament or you ended up in jail uncomfortable. I'm talking uncomfortable to the point to where you have the most adaptation. So if you uncomfortably waking up, you uncomfortably, I don't do this, but if you uncomfortably taking cold showers, you uncomfortably, I don't know, just doing things and stepping out on faith and things like that, just making your life completely uncomfortable and never being content, that's when life starts to change. And I can say this not being at the level that I want to be at, because I was so low, y'all. Like, I don't know if you understand. Like, it was a one point in time to where, man, I wouldn't say pimping. But I was living off of a bitch, bro. I was and chasing hoes and taking her car and doing all the shit that the rap music used to tell you to do. Just living that life and just never really giving myself a real shot at being wildly successful. And it led to me being unhappy and depressed and fucked up, because I know that I'm destined for greatness. You don't have these visions of greatness and then go to bullshit and nothing happens. It just doesn't work like that. If you see yourself being great all the time, and and you're aware of all the fucked up things of life, like, it just makes it hard for you to continue day to day being mediocre. But anyway, I digress. I'm trying to find these damn melatonin pills. Let me find them. Probably not in this. Oh. But yeah, man, so that's all I think about, man. You gotta want this shit more than you wanna breathe. You gotta demand success out of life, dude. And everything you do has to be indicative of it, man. Everybody you see that's actually doing something with their lives, like all the great YouTubers, they didn't fall to the top of the mountain, they climbed there. They didn't land there. I mean, okay. No, I don't even, like, bro, in some form or fashion, they all had to work their ass off. Or they face off. Like, dude, these niggas is uploading videos every fucking day. Shit, I don't... Man, it's just hard to come up with content, it seemed like, almost to me. We'll get y'all some Just For Me. With that gray hair. Fuck that. But yeah, man, it's just... I mean, I don't take nothing from people that get up and go to work every day. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't take nothing from people that's actually chasing their dreams. I don't take nothing from people that's actually trying to make something of themselves, bro. Being run of the mill, that's so normal, bro. That's like the slice of the butt bread, bro. Like, I feel like it's worse than being broke, just being normal, because I don't know. But I digress. I feel like I'm just ranting at this point. I feel like but it is what it is. I don't know where the fuck the melatonin at. I've been looking for it for the longest. I'm gonna have to ask one of these old ladies in here if they can help me find the melatonin. Hey, excuse me. Can you help me find the melatonin, or can you point me in the direction? Okay, thank you. But yeah. So, but a lot of this, what I'm doing is really an exercise, dog. Like, you know how people look at you when you're just talking into a camera?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Like, do they think I'm full of, not that a lion gives a fuck about a sheep's thoughts, but you know what I'm saying? What the fuck do people think? This nigga just talking into a camera. Who the fuck does he think he is? Like, that's what I think people be thinking, but I don't know, man. You can't be worrying about what's going on in the next man's head. Like, it don't make sense. It's almost, it's weird, if you ask me. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so that'll probably do it for this video. I got a lot of footage here. I'll probably jump back on again when I get to the crib. But yeah, I'm still having trouble finding this damn melatonin, even though these bottles look hella familiar. And I think this is what I used to take. Sleep support. These the gummies. You gotta slip up and not pop too many of these motherfuckers. These motherfuckers will get you right where you need to be. But yeah, so it is what it is. I'm back again, and it's I don't know, man. I've just been having a lot of revelations lately, man. I've been trying to stay busy, stay active. I feel like, I don't know, most men, their happiness is based off of their productivity level. So stay productive, fellas. Stay positive, stay doing something. And I'll hit y'all back, catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Alright, what's poppin', YouTube? We back at the crib now, man. Need to figure out these fucking gummies. I hope I don't get copyrighted or something for taking medicine on. So the doctor, if you have medical condition, keep out of reach of children, blah blah blah. Your protection, do not use. Babe, did you take the seal off of these? Alright, cool. Thought somebody tried to slip me a Mickey. Alright. How many I'm supposed to take? 2? I'm finna be sleepy, fellas. Yeah, he's not bad either. But I just wanted to come back, do an outro. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm very, very, very tapped in with my comments. So any questions y'all got, anything y'all want to talk about or discuss, make sure you leave a comment below, man. And it help push the video out to YouTube, because I see my views are doing beautiful, by the way, for me to just be starting YouTube. And I'm very grateful. And I want to say thank you to everybody that's watching my videos. But it can always be more. And while we on the road to 100 subscribers, shit, that's it. Goddamn me, thank you for watching. We locked in.